Hey guys, what's good and what's popping? It's your girl Dimes here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have always wanted to make a video like this. I think that makeup should be whatever you want it to be. And I wanted to do a really nice, natural, dewy, skin-like makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this, keep on watching. Also bear with me, I'm not very good at talking and doing my makeup, but I'm practicing and I'm going for it. So bear with me. So I'm not really one to always use like a primer, but I do want to use a SPF. So I'm using this one by DERMALOGICA. This is their Powerbright Moisturizer SPF and it's SPF 50. Do you see the no cast? Like this is the best SPF, like oh my gosh. So after I put on my SPF, I'm actually gonna do like an underpainting method today, or if you saw like the TikTok viral Mary Phillips method, but I really have grown to love underpainting because I don't know, the results are incredible. I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I actually really like this one by e.l.f. and I think it's a nice way to start. So I'm gonna put my concealer underneath my eyes here. Add some on my chin area and also my forehead and just a little bit like this. I also have a few spots and I saw this technique where like you kind of like spot treat in a way. This one is a fresh little bump. But you kind of like put concealer over the spots that you want to cover and we're just gonna let that dry down a bit. Now we're gonna blend this in. Oh my gosh guys, my phone is running out of storage. I had to delete some clips, but that's okay, we're back. And I'm now gonna do a little contouring with this Rare Beauty. This one's kind of hard to see. This is a really good contouring stick if you want to do something very soft and like natural. So I like to contour here, a little bit here, and on my chin area. I don't have the proper brush, I feel, to contour with, but I do have one by Rare Beauty that I like. And it's kind of for bronzing, but I kind of use it with my contour too. So I'm just going to buff that in. Now that that's nice and blended in, I'm gonna go in with this Heat Stroke blush by Make Beauty, and this is in the shade Stimulated. So I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks, making sure it's really showing. And I also really love putting this on my nose area too, just for a little extra pop, you know. But I like to blend in my blushes with my fingers because I feel like the pigment really be pigmented. And do you see how easily that blends out? Like Make Beauty really does not miss with their, I mean all of their products, but their blushes are really good. So we've got our under base prepared, and guys, this product by Makeup Forever is actually incredible. I think this is their HD, hold on, let me see, HD Skin Matte Velvet. Whew. This product is immaculate. So I'm gonna dip my pad into like the foundation. I tap it off just a little bit and we're just gonna put that on top. Do you see what I'm talking about? Like, this is the way that this just, I mean, I don't really have a lot of words other than dang. I'm now gonna go in with my ILIA bronzer here. This is in the shade Novelty, and I'm just going to re-bronze my face and just adding that warmth back into the face again. I'm also gonna just add a little bronzer to my nose here as well. Now we're gonna go back in with a blush. This one, once again, Make Beauty. This is called Crimson Sky. Oh my gosh, I always forget just how beautiful this color is. I know this is a lot of blush, don't worry. We're gonna fix it because I want to add just a little dabble of like a shade that's like two, 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I'm just gonna add that underneath my eye a bit, and we're gonna blend this out. So I did do my brows off camera, and I pretty much just fill in my sparse areas that need a little bit of love, so it wasn't too much to see there. But I did use this pencil by Kosas, and then I used this grippy brow gel by Mimetic. So now I'm gonna use this warm nude eyeshadow palette by ILIA because I really want to go for just a nice natural mood. So I'm trying to see which one I want to use. I think I'm gonna start off with this one here just as a little base. Then I'm actually gonna tap this brown color here, and I'm just gonna stamp that just in the crease a bit, just to bring a little bit more depth to the eye. So I took this color here on my other eye here. I went in with this color, and I'm just kind of like brushing it on the inner part of my eye because it really helps like brighten and open the eye, and I love that. So I'm just gonna put this here. Then I love to stamp it with a little inner corner highlight. Off camera, I applied this Omicole mascara, and do you see my lashes? Like, they are really out here popping. Omicole is the one, never the two. I actually want to add just a little bit more pop to my cheeks. I'm gonna use this mini Miracle Balm by Jones Road. It's so cute, and it's like a blush and also a shimmer and a little glow. So this is in the shade Dusty Rose, and I'm just gonna pat this on my cheeks. Look how cute that is. This is kind of like my mix of like using a little highlight and also a nice like dew from within look. So I like to just tap that on top of like the blush that I do. I'm gonna go in with my favorite lip liner by Rare Beauty. This is in the shade Strong. Just gonna line my lips. I have been loving these fat lip oils by NYX. So I'm just gonna put this one on. This is in the shade, what should I use? This Newsfeed, and just put a pitter patter of this in the center of my lips like this. Summer Fridays just dropped these lip balms, and these lip balms, ooh girl, impeccable. So I'm actually just gonna put a little bit of this lip balm on top. Going in with this Cool Gloss by Jones Road just to add a little shimmer to the lips too. Look at that. Wow, she's juicy. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh, guys, our look is coming together. We're gonna finish it off with this translucent pressed powder by Make Beauty. Now you can use your favorite setting powder if you like. I usually use the Translucent Honey by Laura Mercier, but today I'm just gonna use a little pressed powder to finish off, and we're just gonna press this over our look. Stunning. I'm also using the shade Translucent Tan. So cute. I'm almost out, but I also am gonna just set this with the Milk Hydro Grip setting spray and just set her in place. So guys, here's the final look. I am so happy with how the look came out. I feel like this is the perfect natural, dewy, and skin-like, but also even better makeup look. So I hope you guys loved it. I actually did end up adding a little bit of Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Powder, and I used this like little brush. It's actually a highlighting brush, but I used it and I just tapped a little bit of that powder into like my under eye area and areas where I get a little oily, because I'm like, why not? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved the look. I hope that you like how everything came together. We can definitely do more makeup looks if you're into it, and I will catch you guys later.